Hello student, welcome back to Krishna classes. Today's topic is ideal and non-ideal solution. This topic has related to the chapter 1 of the class 12th. So what is the solutions and its previous all topics? You can watch my all previous videos which are available on my channel Krishna classes on YouTube. So you have to subscribe my channel for the all topics. So let's start the today's topic, ideal and non-ideal solution. What is the ideal solutions? Which obey Raoult's law. What is the Raoult's law? I also described in my previous video what is the Raoult's law. So for the knowledge of Raoult's law, you can watch my previous video. There is playlist also available in my channel. Which obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration. That is called the ideal solution. I repeat again, the solution which obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration. That is called the ideal solution. What is the property of ideal solution? When we mix two components, then delta H is equal to 0. It means enthalpy is equal to 0 when we mix two components and volume also 0. So this is the ideal solution properties. Ideal solutions has two properties. Delta mix H is equal to 0, delta V mix is equal to 0. So this is the ideal solution which obey Raoult's law. What is the Raoult's law? Raoult's law states that the vapor pressure of any solution is directly proportional to its mole fraction. So for detailed knowledge, you can watch my previous video which is available on my channel Krishna classes. Now come on the next point. It means no heat absorbed or evolved when components are mixed. Delta mix H is equal to 0 means no heat evolved or absorbed. It means enthalpy is equal to 0 and also volume of solution would be equal. It means volume should not be changed. So this is the ideal solution. Now come on non-ideal solution. Non-ideal solution are that solution which does not obey the Raoult's law. Okay, then vapor pressure either higher, that is called the positive deviation, or lower, that is the negative deviation. So what is the non-ideal solution? They does not obey Raoult's law. What is the Raoult's law? You can watch my previous video. Then they does not obey Raoult's law. Then vapor pressure either higher or lower. So this is the non-ideal solution. Here two graphs have given. First follow the positive deviation and second follow the negative deviation. So first is the positive deviation graph where vapor pressure and mole fraction have given, and here negative deviation where vapor pressure and mole fraction have given. Here x1 is equal to 0, here also x1 is equal to 0, here x2 is equal to 1, here x2 is equal to 1. So here x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 0, here x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to 0. This is the difference of positive and negative deviation. Here x1 is equal to 0, here x1 is equal to 1. So this is the today's class, ideal and non-ideal solution. I repeat again, what is the ideal solution? Which obey Raoult's law over the entire range of concentration, that is called the ideal solution. What is the properties of ideal solution? Delta mix H is equal to 0, delta mix V is equal to 0, it means enthalpy is equal to 0 and volume also should not be changed. Non-ideal solution, they does not obey the Raoult's law. Then vapor pressure either higher or lower. When higher, that is called the positive deviation. When lower, that is called the negative deviation. Here what is the difference? Here in positive deviation x1 is equal to 0 and in negative deviation x1 is equal to 1. Graph also here first is positive and second one is the negative, down. So this is the today's class. Hope you understand it very well. For continuous topic, you can subscribe my channel and you can take screenshots also. Please click the like button, share to your friends and subscribe to my channel. My name is Surbhi. Thank you so much.